Welcome to today's SQL tutorial. In this video, we'll answer question 8, how to find the top 10 customers who placed the largest single-order quantities in our sales data. We're working with a table named orders. It includes these columns: customer number, product number, part number, order date, ordered quantity. Each row represents one order. There's no primary key. Our goal is to find the top 10 customers who ordered the most quantity in a single transaction. We want to display each customer's number alongside their highest individual ordered quantity. Here's an example of what the input might look like. Among all rows, customer 2342713 placed the biggest single order quantity 66. We want to extract the top 10 such cases. Let's write the SQL query in SSMS to get this result. First, here's a version using the classic top 10 syntax. Here's what's happening. Group by groups, rows by each customer. Max ordered quantity gives us the highest single order for each customer. Order by. Desk sorts from largest to smallest. Top 10 limits the output to just the 10 highest. Let's run the query. And there you go, we now have the top 10 customers sorted by their largest individual order quantity. Here's how we can rewrite the same query using offset 0 rows, fetch next 10 rows only. Offset 0 rows skips the first 0 rows, meaning we start at the top. Fetch next 10 rows only returns the next 10 rows. You can easily modify this for page 2 by changing the offset to 10, like offset 10 rows. Run the query and this gives you the same result, the top 10 customers by maximum ordered quantity, but it's more flexible for pagination. So whether you use top 10 or offset/fetch, the logic remains the same. For compatibility with pagination or when working with tools like reporting dashboards, offset is often preferred. To summarize, we grouped the data by customer, found each customer's maximum order quantity, sorted the results in descending order, and used top 10 and offset fetch clause to get just the top 10 entries. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, subscribe, and share this channel. Thank you.